So, welcome everybody to DrSwiss Moto. As you can see, the bike is packed. So, what are we gonna do? We are gonna go on an adventure. We're gonna go from here to Croatia, drive a bit around there, then go through Italy, from one side to the other, then back up to Switzerland. So if that's something you wanna see, stay tuned. I have the man flu. The weather is shit, so it's about to get interesting. So first stop for some fuel. I didn't expect it to be this soon, to be honest. I thought I had enough to get to Italy. Apparently I didn't have enough to get out of the house. So let's fill her up and continue our 6-hour journey. 577 kilometers to the point where we have to go, so that's gonna be fun. And all because of the shit weather. We could be doing way better than this, but oh well, it's what we have to work with. So I'll keep you updated till the point I get there. Don't fall asleep, because this one is a boring one. Welcome back. Status update. I'm heading towards the Gotthard tunnel, which I think should be or is the longest tunnel in Europe. I think for cars and stuff. They did do one now just for trains, which is even longer than that one, but yeah, just interesting fact on the way to Italy. Usually I go over the passes, but they are still closed, so under the passes I go. So yeah, I'll put a bit of a clip in of the Gotthard Pass itself. Maybe somebody never saw it and wants to see how it is from the inside or whatever. So yeah, I'll do that and I'll continue onwards. I still have 5 hours and 51 minutes to be in the camping spot, which is on a little island in the, how is it called? Adriatic Sea or Mediterranean? I don't know. You'll figure it out. Go Google it. Tell me off in the comments. I don't give a damn. I have the man flu. Oh, look at that! Helicopter! Helicopter! Look at that! Whoa! That's like Swiss things. Out of nowhere, the freaking chopper just takes off from God knows where. But that's cool. Oh, that's one of those moments where you're happy you had the camera on. Let's just hope it's not a ambulance helicopter, which I don't think it was, because if it was, then it's bad news. But yeah, cool to see, cool to see. So I'll do an update when I'm in the tunnel, so that the one person that maybe wants to see how the Gotthard tunnel looks from the inside can look at it. It's a tunnel and it's called the Gotthard tunnel. Yeah, it's like meh. So yeah, onwards. It's a truck full of Porsches, and nice ones, like a Carrera T. I think that's a GT3 Touring. Fuck, nice spec. Whew. But yeah, we're getting to, I'm getting distracted. We are getting to the Gotthard tunnel, so I'll be right back. I don't know why I wanted to show you a truck full of Porsches. I want a Porsche. Oh, for those who never been and always heard about Gotthard tunnel, we are here. So there are strict rules to this. By the way, it is 16.942 kilometers, so almost 17 kilometers underneath the mountain. And yeah, it's a bit of a stretch. There are rules to this, which is you cannot overtake. It's absolutely forbidden. It's only one way there and one way back. And also you have to keep a speed of 80, not go over it. But that's the usual, like every place has speed limits. It's just as true for the Gotthard tunnel. So yeah, I think I spoke enough about the Gotthard tunnel. If ever you come with a car here, it's interesting because radio will switch to a Gotthard tunnel station that will tell you all about the tunnel and the emergency exits, etc. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna show you something better than a hole on the next clip, I hope. So yeah, see you right back. Go to Italy and Croatia, they said. It never rains in Croatia and Italy, they said. What the actual... I'll be right back. So, welcome everybody to the Adriatic Sea. We made it. All we need to do now is find a place to sleep. Possibly a camping spot. If not, hotel it is. I am still feeling very sick. But this view, when I came around the corner, just made things up a bit. So I really like to look at all these big ships. There's a gigantic yacht down there. Gonna ask if it's for sale. I have a couple coins with me. So I'll see you in a bit when I find something or some place to sleep and eat, etc. I'll keep you posted. So you find me on a brilliant piece of tarmac between Trieste and I'm gonna assassinate the name right now, Rijeka, probably in Croatia. So I decided, since it stopped raining a bit and the camping spot I was supposed to be going is closed, the second one I found was a bit sketch, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna drive all the way to Croatia and then I'm already there for the morning. So in the morning I can set off to the sightseeing I want to do tomorrow, and I'm closer and I can take more time for that. So win-win, I think. Hopefully the way things are going today, nothing is going right, everything is going wrong. So hopefully this was the right decision. Also further down towards Croatia, the weather doesn't look as bad. Still shit though, but not as bad. So I'm also banking on maybe getting a bit of better weather. These Italian roads are fantastic, but the Italian drivers put the fear of God into me. So yeah, here I am, going along. What a first day this was. Sick, everything going wrong, bad weather, but oh well. I'll let you know when I get to Croatia, and let's hope that at least at the end of the day everything went right. So fingers crossed, and see you soon. And welcome back. I made it. To where, you might ask? I am in Croatia right now. It's doing its thing. I'm in Rijeka. That's how it was explained to me. I should say it, Rijeka. It's a freaking amazing yacht city. I should start a yacht channel where I test drive yachts. So yeah, just wanted to say I made it to Croatia. Tomorrow is gonna be the day I'll go to the, how is it called? The abandoned Air Force base or something? I'll try to find out more about the history of that and read about what it is and why it exists, so that I can tell you. But yeah, tomorrow is gonna be a good riding day, hopefully. It's gonna be good weather. And for now I'm just gonna say ciao. All the videos this week are probably gonna be like this. A bit off the cuff, a bit all over the place, a bit boring probably, but indulge. It's my first time doing a trip like this and taking you guys along. So hope you liked it. There is more coming, more trips, more craziness, and for this week we are just starting. Like, look at this little boat. like, this is you, and this is the guy she told you not to worry about. So with that being said, thank you, and let's hope we see each other tomorrow in good spirits. So buckle up, Buttercup. It's gonna be a wild ride, and they are coming for me.